Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the latest and most epic road moments Kuro No Biker's camera. We got all the exclusives right here in one place, from close calls to road rage and even more. Make sure to sit tight because this episode is going to be epic. Without any further ado, let's get this one underway.
That was a very red light. Wrong way, stupid! Jesus.
Why?
According to the law, texting and driving is forbidden. And yes people, even if you're waiting at a red light, you are legally not allowed to use your phone. But some drivers still don't know that. Or they do know, but abuse it regardless.
You know you're not supposed to ride on the sidewalk. You're supposed to ride in the street. What are you doing? You would like that, wouldn't you?
My flow is cold like the weather in Siberia. I keep your head bobbing like a novelty in all them turkey.
This self-entitled driver parked in the middle of a bike lane. On top of that, there was even a road sign that says no parking. When the driver of the car came back, the situation only got worse.
Huh? I'm about to give you a sticker that says you park like an asshole. Because you're parked in a bike lane. Okay. You don't know what these cones are here for? You don't know what this sign means?
I can't read.
Park over there. How'd you get your license then if you can't read?
I just didn't feel like you gonna put it on my car?
Now that you're here, I'll give you a chance to leave.
Do not touch my car, bro. No, I don't want to have an issue. Like,
Why? The issue is that you're parked in a bike lane when you should know that you're not supposed to do.
It came to a heated road rage, and this Darren told the cyclist not to touch his car, or they're gonna have a problem. The issue here is not about touching anyone's car, but about your improper parking, sir.
tell me what to do.
This tells you what to do. You should know that.
Touch my car if you're gonna have a problem.
He touched the butt.
Bro, what the fuck? Out of my face, man.
You know you're on camera, right?
Eventually, the driver got back in his car and moved on. It's exactly because of drivers like him that we have so many accidents and road rage situations.
Your face.
I smacked your car. Do something about it.
Yep, you bent my wheel.
This crazy driver moved from a left turn lane all the way to the right, and he even cut across a bike lane, forcing the cyclist to slam on his brakes and sit on his horn.
It's almost like these physical barriers do their job.
Driver stopped in the middle of a bike lane, even though he had a parking spot nearby, and when the cyclist came along, he couldn't pass because of him. Check out how the situation played out.
Can you little move it? I need to forward back. Because
You realize the irony of asking a biker in the bike lane to move for a car. But I gotcha. You good? All right. Oh yes, working just as intended.
Drivers are supposed to look around them before moving in dense traffic. You can never know when a biker or a cyclist might pass on the side, just like it happened in this situation here.
Ooh!
What is that? What was that? Don't swear at me, please. Don't swear at me.
This biker got himself a rather unique bike, and wherever he goes, his bike draws attention of the local people. Check out how he put a smile on the faces of these kids.
बस बाय 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 चलो बाय नहीं ना ना यहाँ पे नहीं कहीं और मिलना कभी नीचे मिल जाना मुझे ठीक है तब करवा दूंगा अभी नहीं यहाँ नहीं बाय आजा बाय चलो हटो
Someone needs to give this pickup truck driver a friendly reminder that using your turn signals does not give you the right of way. You can't just act as if the road belongs to you.
Furacão vai começar, hein, rapaziada.
Biker was just minding his own business, filtering through traffic, and this video is just another proof of why filtering can be so dangerous. Always make sure to slow down while filtering and keep your eyes wide open at all times.
Tá moscando, hein, rapaz? Nossa. Rapaz, o Tobinho não passou nem uma agulha. Que cara jagunço do caramba, mano.
¿Qué pasa? Baja la velocidad. Baja la velocidad.
Kidding me right now?
It looks like this angry driver tried to purposely block the biker off from filtering, but he was not as successful as he imagined he would be.
Keep going.
This biker came across some rude drivers who have zero respect for traffic rules. You'll see a lot of self-entitled and illegal moves done, and we urge you to pay close attention and take notes. After all, The purpose of us showing you videos like this is that you don't repeat the same mistakes.
¿Por qué no ir hasta el fondo? Ya se enceda.
Driver in front of the biker completely disregarded his mirrors as he changed lanes, and the biker was left shocked. He had to slam his brakes to avoid a collision, but he made sure to get his revenge on this carefree driver. Biker was ready to drop the whole situation and move on about his day, but the driver's self-entitled reaction after the close call angered the biker even more, and it came to a mirror smash. What do you guys think? Deserved or not? Write me down in the comment section below.
Arepicha. Arepicha. ¡Ay, papá! ¡Mamón! ¡Ay!
Bro, god damn, holy. Oh my god.
Biker came across a reckless driver on the highway who changed lanes without looking at his side mirrors, not to mention to use his turn signals. This is why, as a biker, you always need to be aware. Biker filmed a dangerous driver who was cutting in front of other vehicles like a madman, but the situation didn't end there. Check out what happened once the biker passed him. As if cutting in front of other vehicles was not enough, this crazy driver caused an accident, and the poor biker was the only one to suffer from it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Oh yeah!
¿Estás bien?
¿Mande?
¿Estás bien, carnal?
Creo que sí, creo. No sé si me vas a ayudar a pararla. Ah.
Darren was mad at the biker simply because he filtered his way through at the top of the queue. When the lights turned green, this crazy driver hit the gas, leaving everyone behind him in the dust.
Siente, meu. É sério.
Biker was already in the roundabout way before the driver, but that didn't prevent him from cutting in and nearly causing a havoc.
Puta que pariu esta gente, meu, sério. Obrigado.
As the biker moved at the top of the queue, he noticed a road rage argument going on right behind him. One driver got out of his car and started running towards another vehicle. Check out how it all played out.
Contramão, é isso.
Meu Deus, isso aqui parece a Índia, velho. Os caras... Meu Deus.
Ai, Jesus do céu.
Foi só susto, tá tudo certo aí, mestre? Tá tudo certo aí? Bah, cara, que merda. Tá filmado. Mas foi só susto. Aqui não deu nada.
One biker passed way too fast and some of his belongings started falling off his bike. He didn't notice it straight away, but this cool biker helped him find it.
Caralho. Caiu, velho. Vou. Vamos ver se tá... É, deu uma ralada, eu acho. Não sei em relação ao tombo, né? Ah, muito obrigado aí, valeu. Isso aí, cara.
This guy was under the influence of some sort and he passed out. These people came over to check on him and see if he was alright. And with this clip, we conclude another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that would mean a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.